In this video, I'm going to explain how to apply for a Spain Schengen Visa from the UK. If you're a UK resident and want to visit Spain for tourism, business, or family visits, you'll need to apply for a Schengen Visa. First, determine the type of visa you need. Most applicants go for the short-stay Schengen Visa for visits up to 90 days. To apply, fill out the online application form on the Spanish consulate website. You'll need to gather documents like a valid passport, recent passport-sized photos, travel insurance that covers at least 30,000 euros, proof of accommodation like hotel bookings, and financial proof, bank statements. You'll also need to provide flight reservations and any documents supporting the purpose of your trip. Book an appointment at the Spanish Visa Application Center, submit your documents, and attend the biometric appointment. Processing usually takes around 15 calendar days. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Schengen Visa tips.